how to turn on or turn off maximum restrictions to provide extra strong protection on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and in here, tap on auto blocker, tap on the left hand side panel. Now make sure you turn on auto blocker. So if I want to switch it off, I need to use my fingerprint or a pin. When you turn on auto blocker, you'll be able to go down and make changes to maximum restrictions. So here, tap on maximum restrictions. And at the top, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here said, when you turn on maximum restrictions, this can provide extra strong protection for people who need more security. Some of your phone's feature will be restricted. So here say turns on app protection. App installed on your phone will be checked for malicious activity. It will block device admin apps, so prevents device admin apps and work profiles from being activated on your phone. And here for Samsung Messages, it blocks auto downloading attachments, also blocks hyperlinks and previews, and also removes location data when sharing pictures. For Gallery, it blocks share albums and also removes location data when sharing pictures. So quite a useful features if you want to have a maximum protection of your data and privacy, as well as prevent other people from hacking to your device. So here, turn on maximum restriction to make use of this feature. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.